welcome back to our channel Homestyle Fusion. We saw how to complete the yellow layer in previous video. So today I am going to tell you about headlights. Headlights is one complete row here and one complete row here and different color here. So now when you have 0 headlights, then you have to do one headlight algorithm that I am going to show you now. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. So now we can see we still don't have headlights, but when we turn this, we have one headlight and one more headlight here and here. So now we have 3 headlights: orange, green, blue, and we have one solved side, it is red. So red is already solved, so I will keep it at the back, and I have headlights on my front, my left and my right. So now I am going to show you the algorithm. F2, U prime, M prime, U2, M, U prime, F2. So now it didn't work, so we'll do the headlight algorithm one more time. F2, so now our whole cube is solved.